Hello everyone. So let's continue the last topic which we have ended in the part 2 in today's session. So next topic of ours will be real numbers. On their decimal forms. Yeah. Before knowing this, we have to know some terms. We have to particularly know the 4 terms. So the first term in it will be recurring decimals. So what is this recurring decimals? To understand and remember it very quickly, there is a keyword for it. Yes, the keyword is repeated. Did you find the definition? Yeah, let's find it. So I have found it easily by using the keyword repeated. So I can define it as recurring decimals are the decimals which are repeated and has no end. Sorry, repeated means here it will be repeating, so it has an end. Sorry for my mistake. It has an end actually. So next term of ours will be the terminating. Yes, for this there is no any particular keyword to be remembered. So let's define it simply. Terminating are the decimals which has an end. So for example, 0.5, 0.75 and etc. Yeah, these are the 2 terms we have to discuss now. So our third term will be non-recurring. So this non-recurring decimals is quite opposite to this repeated decimals, that is recurring decimals. So the definition or the keyword first, the keyword that is kept for these non-recurring decimals are, this is repeated, then here it comes non-repeated. This I have written short form, you have to imagine it as repeated, and the definition would come automatically into your mind. Yes, the decimals, here same thing what is written here, the decimals which are not repeated and has an end. Yes, of course, if the decimals are non-repeated, it might be the end like this. So here we could say that the second term and the third term are equal. Yeah, next let's find the next term. Yeah, our next term will be non-terminating. Would you say at least the definition of this? Yeah, I will say it. So the definition for non-terminating decimals are, here in this terminating they are given it has an end, but here they don't have an end. Yes. Now, here third term and first term are equal. So, here first and third, second and sorry, not third one, it's fourth. First and fourth, second and third. Understood? Yeah, next let's get into the topic very brief and deeper. Yes, let's get into the real topic now. Real numbers in their decimal form. DF means the decimal form. So let's take an example. The first example will be our 10 by 3. Yes, our first example is 10 by 3. 3 divided by 10. 3 ones are. Why only 3 ones are? We could even take 3 threes are, right? Which is quite smaller than 10. So 3 threes are 9 and 1 will be left here. Point. Again 10 comes. So 3. 9. 1. And point is already kept. So next 0. So again 10 comes. So what it means is it will be repeating like 3.33 bar. The bar should only be kept on the 3 because only the number 3 is repeating, not the number 33. Yes, so the answer is 3.33 bar. So yes, could you match the term which is equal to this from the 4 terms we have discussed earlier? Guess the answer for some time. Is it repeating or non-repeating? Yes, it is repeating because bar is kept on the number 3. So which is the term which is related to the repeated, the keyword? That's recurring. Yes, the recurring decimal. And it's a rational number also, which is also in the P by Q form. Let's see the next example. Same like this. It's 5 by 25 by, let's see, 5 and 25. So 5 5s are 25, 0. We got the answer 5. So which term is equal for this? Is it repeating? No, it's not repeating. Is it, it has no end. So which term has no end? It's terminating. Terminating, and it is in a P by Q form. Is also a rational number. Yes. So next see. Yeah, for the next term, let's see another example. Which number shall we take? Yeah, 7 by 8. It's better. So we might find this is a terminating, non-terminating, non-recurring or recurring. Let's find it by dividing it. 8, 7, 8, 0.8. Which, how many times do you think? 8 8s are 6. And point is kept already, so 60. Next, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56. 4 and point is kept already, so 8 5s are 40. It has been stopped. Yeah, what type of term is it? So the answer is 0.875. It is actually non-recurring. which means non-repeated. It's not repeated and has an end. Yeah, it has an end and it's not repeated. Yeah, next let's move into the topic. We move into the next topic. Yes, there are two cases in it. So, case 1 is the remainder is 0. For example, 1 by 2, that's equal to 0.5. As it's not repeated and non-recurring, the remainder must be 0 and it is 0. So the example will be suited like this, and like these remainder is 0, that comes under the case 1 of real number and its decimal form. The next case is the remainder never becomes 0. Yes, we have seen the example even for this earlier, like 10 by 3. The answer for this is 3.33 bar, and it's repeated and recurring, so it has no end. This is the correct example of this, never becomes 0. And exceptional cases are two, which are even important in this 9th grade. So that is should be, means the decimal number in P by Q form. It's easy, it's quite easy. So let's see the example. We have taken it earlier, 7 by 8. The answer we got it 0.875, right? Yeah, 75. And how can be this written? We can write it 870 by 100. So from here and here, yeah, wait, 3 zeros, yeah, 1000. So it is a rational number, should be represented in a P by Q form. P by Q form, which means the rational number. So 875 by 1000 is a rational number. It's simple, but the next what comes is quite important. Next is, it should be expressed in P by Q form. So we want to occupy the whole board for this. It's very important topic and is very useful for you in your exams like FA, formative and summative. Yes, for this case is number 1, and yeah, this is our exceptional case but important case. Here, let's take the example for 1 by 3. Let's divide it. What do we get? 0 point. Yeah, same like that. Same like 10.3. We got 3.33 something. But here 1 by 3, we get 0.333. That's 0.3 bar. So let the number be x. Okay, so x is equals to 0.33. Now multiply both sides with the 10. 10, what do we get? 10 into x is 10x. 0.33 into 10 is 3.33, right? Yes. Now, Let's simplify it. Like 10x will be written as it is. And this 3.33, how can it written in other words? Can we write like this? 3 plus 0.33. Can we write it? So now what did the 0.33 come here? 0.33, it's x. So 10x is equals to 3 plus 0.33. We already took it as the x. So x, and this x will be taken here. So the plus sign is here, and if it goes like this, it becomes minus. So 10x minus x comes this side. So 3. 10x minus x, both are like terms, so we can subtract it. We can complete the operation of subtraction. So it becomes 9x is equals to 3. Let's keep this x here and take this 9 into the side. The 9 is in our operation of multiplication. If it goes to the right side of the equals to, it becomes division. So 3 by 9. So is this the final answer? Do we get? No. The main important thing is cancellation. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. Did we get the same answer what we got at the first? Yes, 1 by 3. 1 by 3, we got it. So x is equals to 1 by 3. We got it finally. We did it. Yes. The same question what we have took, the answer we got the same. So 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. LHS is equals to RHS. It's correct. So thank you for being patient in this class. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.